In the heart of the rainforest, among the lush greenery and towering trees, lives one of the most fascinating creatures on Earth, the monkey. These primates, with their nimble fingers, expressive faces, and playful antics, have captivated humans for centuries. But beyond their undeniable charm, monkeys are also incredibly intelligent and social beings. From the depths of the Amazon to the heights of the African savanna, these primates have adapted to an astonishing diversity of habitats, each with its own unique challenges and opportunities. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of monkeys, exploring their remarkable adaptations, their complex social lives, and the threats they face in today's rapidly changing world. The incredible diversity of monkeys. Monkeys come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny finger monkeys of Central America to the massive mandrills of West Africa. There are over 260 species of monkeys, each with its own unique appearance, behaviors, and adaptations. Some monkeys, like the baboons of the African savanna, live in large, complex social groups, while others, like the solitary orangutans of Borneo, prefer a life of solitude. Despite their differences, all monkeys share a common ancestor and exhibit remarkable intelligence and problem-solving skills. Monkeys, masters of adaptation. Monkeys have evolved a remarkable array of adaptations that allow them to thrive in their diverse habitats. Their long, agile limbs perfectly suit swinging through the trees in search of food, while their keen eyesight and hearing help them navigate the dense rainforest canopy. Some monkeys, like the proboscis monkeys of Borneo, have even developed specialized features, such as their large noses, that help them adapt to their specific environment. Monkeys are also highly intelligent animals, capable of using tools, communicating with complex vocalizations, and even recognizing themselves in a mirror. The importance of monkeys in the ecosystem. Monkeys play a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of their ecosystems. They act as seed dispersers, helping to regenerate forests, and their pollination activities are essential for the reproduction of many plant species. Monkeys are also an important food source for other animals, such as snakes and birds, and their presence helps to maintain the intricate web of life in the rainforest. Threats faced by monkeys. Sadly, the very things that make monkeys so fascinating also put them at risk. Deforestation, habitat loss, and hunting have caused a dramatic decline in monkey populations worldwide. The illegal pet trade is another major threat, with thousands of monkeys captured from the wild each year and sold into the exotic pet trade. These practices not only harm individual monkeys, but also disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystems they inhabit. It's time to take action to protect these incredible animals. We can support organizations working to conserve monkey habitats, educate others about the importance of monkeys, and make informed choices as consumers. By working together, we can ensure that these remarkable primates continue to swing through the trees for generations to come.